Will the judge consider my spouse's alcoholism on the issue of custody? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. We met with a lady just last week who is dealing with this specific issue. Unfortunately, it's a common issue. There are a lot of people out there who have mental health issues that lead them to alcoholism, and many of them are functioning. Some of them are severely compromised by alcoholism and unable to function properly, unable to hold a job, and you have people all over that spectrum. So that brings up this issue on how the court handles this particular situation and issue when it comes to custody of children. And the best way to think about this is that it does not work to go into a courtroom and simply tell a judge that the other party suffers from alcoholism or is an alcoholic and therefore should not be trusted with the children. Certainly, it's an issue that gets a judge's attention. The judges are interested in and committed to safety for the children, but you need to go to court with specific examples of how the alcoholism impacts parenting. Also, you need to be prepared to demonstrate to the judge how exactly the alcoholism presents a risk to the child or to the children. And so the more specific you are, the greater the chances that the court is actually going to take that issue into consideration in fashioning a custody and parenting plan. So the best thing to do is to document as much as you possibly can, log as much as you possibly can, any issues related to alcoholism. What happened? When did it happen? What is the direct connection between that activity and the children? How does it present a risk to the children? Again, judges hear this day in and day out, where people are coming in and complaining that the other side is either using drugs or alcohol. And so you significantly increase your chances of making headway on this issue and having the judge carefully consider the issue and incorporate the risk into the judge's findings and order if you provide details. And of course, this is something that you should be discussing with an attorney in advance before rushing into court and making these allegations and accusations. Because again, once you do that, then of course there is a significant risk that it's going to inject strain into your relationship. And so the bottom line is not that you should bury your head in the sand and ignore the risk to your children, because children's safety is number one. However, you should talk to an attorney to make sure that the information you have gives you the ammunition you need to effectively go into court and give yourself a good enough chance of making some headway on this issue and actually having the judge consider it and incorporate it into an order. So those are some things to think about. Will the judge do anything about it? Will a judge consider the alcoholism in custody? Absolutely, if you can convince a judge that there is a risk to the children. And the best way to do that is you outline these past incidents, you demonstrate to the court that there is a pattern and that there is a real risk to the children, and that's how you optimize your chances of having that issue considered. If you have any other questions on this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel, Share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can find us on social media at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.